Mafri mi mo frasi ano no fosa mintwa no fuo. Mintwa no fuo. Yeah. Abrantie biara ni wa o chiri no fuo.
Sex ni hu ye no. Na me ho preme. Na say dum light. Na ma dwunyam se bi mo chodogodogi. So, it me from I mistake.
Okay. Are you Momaa Beauty, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, Momaa Beauty.
Yeah, I'm the English speaker.
Ah, okay. English madam, right?
Yeah, of course.
Hey, English madam.
Yeah.
Please, can you say myself for me?
Can I song myself?
Yeah.
Oh, why not?
Introduce yourself.
The pledge. I promise on my honor.
No, I didn't say the pledge. I said myself.
Myself.
Yeah.
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my heart and with all my strength. I promise to honesty, our heritage of forest, to the blind until our fathers. And I pledge myself all things be told in defense on give name of Ghana. So help me God.
So help me God, Amka. I said myself, and you are reciting the pledge.
My name is Ekriata Katrina Sense Momaa Beauty, aka English Madam. I come from Agona.
You came from
Agona.
But here you wrote Tafu Pankrono.
No.
You wrote Tafu Pankrono.
It was mistake.
I na BBC now a big interview so na o marry no.
Oh,
because I don't know say Agona. I don't say what your Tafu Pankrono wa.
Okay. Myself.
Okay.
I'm at Tafu Pankrono. And I finished school in primary 2. And I'm the kind of person speaking English. I actress. I'm coming to interview.
Are you coming to interview? But what the transfer?
My professional is Coco Vanilla.
Coco Vanilla.
Yeah. So I want to work on cocoa so that I can be the best of cocoa farming in the world, woman. Yeah. And I work in the word remit before.
You have worked
in the red remit before. Yes. So
why do you stop there and come to take cocoa?
Because it's my hobby.
Cocoa is your hobby?
Yeah, it's my future list. I want to be a lecturer in the cocoa. So
you want to be a lecturer?
Yes.
In this? Other lecture?
No, as soon as possible. When I'm in the cocoa farmer, definitely I come to be a lecturer in the cocoa farmer.
Me go interview.
Na adina mo kan wa antia Yes, you got cocoa, you mema ahodenfo.
Oh, say no, I know interview ni so me ba baby.
Na wo ye bema.
Na da bi o menye be ma de
bo. Na so de mennim wa no menwom na woto.
Masa, ye de adwene ni ti cocoa, nye be ma se wa bati kati.
Cocoa e mema se me de yo.
Ye de adwene.
Na ko jan tu ko jara ko to ni mama cocoa na na sa ko e de na me mente wa se no.
Ye de adwene ni ti cocoa, nye abatire ni ye de ti cocoa kraje.
Me chance ni srawo.
O chance na de.
Me chance ni cocoa tie. Koda.
Ene sa kwa so adwuma ya mbade anka vision aka
masa enwura nsia
nka talent aka danim ti sa wo page ndade nyina wo bo modere se nyame be ya ado ni beri kokotie ho investment be ba kuru na nyesa
na wo ko pasa kam ko de adwuma
wa tri so de se ne city de nka akoso aka so magazine kura se nkenye hwe de he
me ko so aka
ohene ba adwuma na ba ne me ko pa bi aya ma me ko pa bi nye
wo de ne nwumto me de ne se koko aba ne se me ko tete me ti me ti koko be 100 abom ide
je ado for my retire me se me ko ti koko
don't provoke
na mu ne me pa de na wo ye
no
ada adwuma na won kwa de ya
me last guy the tuja me be ha me
na say nyani pa ba ko pene be pene dina ko
ye me say me kwara mtatiro ko me wana me say adwuma no
wa say me ya chese odi u pese odi dum pese be di bi nya
wa wodi na wen
na me say nyansa ne yedi tikoko enya ho
ene ko na do wadwan bu kuku nse enti
na say ma dene ne de ko bo
wa pa o so ayi ni ma betitiro
aha o wete de titiro
na afuna ko be ko be ba bi o enti o
se me nko ne ba mfa ma ne ma se ba mfa ne nko beti nkoduru ne nko kama se ni nipa ne fama wa de wo no wa fa nipa na na
obuhu mo do me fa ne kan yam
di wom ne se koko no de ye penkofo de o ma akwa ye de akwa kote enhweso enti we no so yahwem wa application na de ba no bibia ye kama bibia ye okay
I said it. I say I will qualified.
Enti yahwe wa mbato so original say na me hade ko kakra bi say na da ho me hade na afi no yemfa se u yemfa se u kra so a na u ti koko wi mu a obeti ne say mama jade oye no na so aye de sanity ade u kra se kan mi so u kra so na o di ti koko wi ma obe ne say e na me pese dan ma wanim ni hwe se na wati nim la se na afi ti se de o ti koko ti se de o ti koko mama ye ndi agro ha o koko de wo ti a woti koko aye gina ye so asoso anim se no aputu se no watwene se na de ye de tini ye ne hwe na ja se
one the coco
is yes
under the
coco is up and you use asoso to tea.
Oh.
Are
you educated before?
Yeah.
When you finish school? Where?
Oh, I complete school I think since 1978. I attend
Glad they interest why na me nti koko ni enko
okay.
Ni sade e be chi
koko no ti koko no ne
e bi di de bi echi
sai di o qualify eti na me adom a
so please when we will start work
yeah let me book the date for you. This girl is on Thursday. This is on Saturday. Okay, Mama found Sunday. I found Sunday.
Why? Sunday so Sunday they are a weekend from. Whatever you.
Yeah, let me place you on Sunday.
Okay.
It is Sunday.
Can I be on?
Yeah, Sunday you will be on the duty. You will be on duty.
Great time.
Sunday, 2 o'clock. Momaa beauty.
And closed when?
AKA English Madam. Closing time will be 7:30 p.m. To be started 2 no upon 7. Yeah, it's ya bookie wa ha. Na me adoma Sunday adu anim. Wona oba. Why?
You and Amedas.
Okay, ntuba kwa na.
Can I be on my way?
Yeah, you can be on your way.
Okay, thank you.
You can be on. Momaa beauty, right?
Yeah, Mpacha.
Okay.
You can call me English Madam.
English Madam.
Yes, you can call me Englisher.
Englisher.
You can call me Point of Correction.
Point of Correction.
Yes. And hey. Can you imagine?
Can you imagine? Next person, please. Yes, sir, boss.
Please, I hope everything is cool.
Yeah, everything is cool. And you?
By God's grace, I am very good.
Okay. Are you?
Atadwe the blue face.
Atadwe the blue face.
Yeah.
Blue face. Atadwe. Yeah. I remember.
I am telling you that I am the musician.
Musician.
Yeah.
Please, can you sing your song for me to listen?
I have a lot of tracks. Which one are you talking about?
All of them.
My friend, my frasi ano no fosa minchanu fu.
Hey.
Minchanu fu.
Hey.
Yeah. Abranti ebiara niwa. Ochiri no fu. Yeah. Nufu bisa. no phobia, no phobia, no phobia, no phobia, no phobia, no phobia, no phobia. Somebody no be ya, every no fo.
So please, this your song. Do they play it outside?
Yes. Me sometimes because of Ghana people, a lot of Ghana people are hypocrites. So me, if I bring song outside, I let the foreigners song the song there for me.
The foreigners song the song.
Yes.
But in Ghana here, they don't play it.
Me don't let them play.
You don't let them play.
Yeah, me don't let them.
Okay. I see. Atadwe the blue face.
Very soon I'll drop tapper. Tapper. Hey. Me drop yan chere kura. Ese me be drop soho after soho me drop it tapper.
So do you have a futures?
Oh yes, I have futures. I am not come to future the big peoples.
Yeah. But I mean some people future.
Oh yeah, for that one they for that one there. I've been some of Nigeria and South Africa peoples has even future me kura.
The future. So when you go there, you sing.
I was saying what I sing on their
song. You change the lyrics.
No, I won't change it.
You don't change the lyrics on. So you use the same lyrics to Nigeria people.
Yes.
The same lyrics to Ghana people.
Yes.
The same lyrics to South Africa.
Everybody.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Back to business. Can you explain yourself to me? I mean myself.
Oh, no problem.
Okay.
My name is Atadwe the Boniface.
Okay.
I come from one region.
Okay.
Brekum Kato to be precise. My mother and support to be precise.
Okay.
I love lot of preparation in my life.
Okay.
And there is no faculty and magoning come to my life to be operation.
Okay.
The food I like best is akao. And makuira wayiraba all bunch appreciate.
But how you wrote awache and a pay?
And you one of the word in the church.
No, you wrote awache and pay here.
Me and Yaman can me man can watch any. And you one of the word in the church.
Just look at here. What is this?
Watch it.
What is this?
And pay. Me near one thing a year. Me can cow and as a bunch appreciate. Be I one thing a year.
Charlie. Okay. Let me collect you.
Okay. Teach any year, man. So. I'm watching your cramming.
Okay. Go on.
I dance and I sung and I'm a movie actor too. Straight from the 75-70 meters queue to where I stand.
Okay.
I am black in comprehension.
Okay.
I am fair in color.
Okay.
I dislike red people because they are handle motive to my life.
Okay.
I like big girls and I like small girls as a preparation bashit.
Masa. Sa enye fom ho na akwakoti koko na akwakwa big girls o.
Ona sa tres.
Enye ho na akwakwa big girls obi ya fa akwakwa ye adwa akwati koko o ka tell me say you like big girls.
Eh na hweso ni wan fa yira nkwa wani be da kan kura na se. So do yire ko woti koko ne worry ne wo.
Masa adwuma na ye de akwakwa ye no eye contract eye abrofo adwuma ene ye de contract. Ene ye de akwakwa ye unnim na akwajo na akwa ye ma asem a masa ye yiwa dia eno ne nya ye mfumso. Ti asem na make acho ni pa. Okay, go on.
As I come to go and work at the village as a cocoa mhwesuni.
Okay, that's Mankranso Asempane.
Yes.
Okay.
I am going to me as a professional. I sing. When the more I am singing, the cocoa is totally good forms. The more I am singing, the cocoa is totally good. It's the magic of the queue of my life. God has bring me to this earth. Thank you.
Master. Are you serious?
Yes, please.
It's a one hour magic.
Oh, idea nyame de wo me tonyo nu koku etete me tonyo nu kube etete idea ya de wo
tonyo na kube etete wo tonyo na koku etete. Okay. The thing is, from next week you'll be starting work because the way I see who me am to you say koku adwuma why you be down.
Oh chairman me so we are serving so dunkwa hefa Budu camp.
Okay.
Kofi Pongo. Sabi nkurani de matching so de bi so akire ho nyina. Ma wura Cote d'Ivoire. Me de kwa kire Cote d'Ivoire for so na esibia koko.
Ampa. Wura mu na hu appearance nti senka wonnim na ababo say like unya koko adwuma da na so wontina class da franka wona nkasa.
Me the first person anya asene na Ghana ha. asene na ye de hata koko me ne first person na nye
hey my G, you have a record. You have a record.
me wan say Ghana ha ye wadwuma bu ho ya achievement be ye modi
ana no kwa wo ye wie kwa wo de bete wonti fa ko gira bonti se me na me ya asene
na be na kwaka
because asene ne ni ayi bia wo
any moderation vision
sa any vision bia nti no ye de ya wo ya kura na wa de be sie wo nka mo bi kura aso bi onwene so a what is so bia be ka se me na me nwene so a na
say can be bo kwara.
Okay, thank you. You are welcome. Nyame aduma next week Thursday.
Okay.
Obey aduma. What? Na sena we so buy na ready so na sana fill form so who sena pay na bibia ati here.
Yeah. Me I am education person, so if I am negative something I don't refresh myself.
Sanity obi ho ma wo de no bekwa koduru no. Afi na oba be na aduma no so but enso akatua na ye dey isua. Ntino intina asise no ye de bibia to file no so do ready anu ayede wote ase wia
wa ye wontima no ko fie
police chow
nti bla nyame nshirawo
nyame so nshira pa
nti ame adoma chena no pa
Thursday mba so o chere say lady ba ko show amatunura
okay
the girl with the big bottles
ana ubetimi
fa de odwene ne mma because wo ne date na ntimi nhia financial trim date na ntimi nhia
janka me ya senka ni ne be kokopie kura ba kwa sese ne ye keka na efa na eja
date na nkasa no onim this time no ya shift guest no
anti mema ne ma ne nkommom
it is what our first no na man mema timi dabom o dan ba ku ba sese de we ya den ya obi anu obema oba ne bema dabom da
so ma fa mo ho adwe
ya fa ho adwe
ore ma tie nya hwe mi ama hwe bi di na akọ why man nya dene
e de wa la ba na eburu so de a
Ose
we na eburu so dia se obi na afa wa akoye obi adwuma ntim koye ope wo what you say nti kwan da wani
Martin ene dia no
on Thursday
Martin
you are on duty
Martin
okay next say ya wo de mbekwa kotu adwuma bi wi afi na bedu
America flow
okay
I say my mistake back in person come to sound
who are you
Namune Jordan
yeah hey
Simi correction man ya pa mo to me da
okay correction me dey
sex me ade mo chini sideways say me tuna ade asan me live by the so you liwa
for live by dey
say on se tene bi dey by na so dey akuna we ka table se na ka so me say masa
me pa cho nyam to wase
papa
me oda me pa cho nyam
to say to buga ni na ma hand na me tina chiri say papa na Let's see ya. Obitani see ya. Papa, bet me up for the table na ha.
Masa.
So sex one of salama me. Yes, I have my best record. Best record.
Please.
You know,
Mr. Gentleman.
Na so ampa na bia na obija na wa isi ya kire. Na me tina chiri. Na bia ma hangi me na. Papa is salama me wa salama.
Okay, what
sex ni me hu ye no. Na me ho pre me. Near seldom light. It's not my dream to be my doggy. So, it's move from I mistake.
Have you attended school before?
Yeah, I was once a schoolboy, but
you was once a schoolboy.
Yeah, did some 1 or 2 things.
So, where did you reach and you stopped school?
Oh, to be frank, I got to that was SHS. Yeah.
SHS.
Yeah.
1 or 2 or 3.
Oh, I didn't complete like Form 2. Yeah.
Yeah. So you are Form 2, senior high.
Yes.
Oh, I know.
Senior.
I'm the one who.
You can't tell me that. Doggy, I'm managing who.
Mahu, Baby, person me chow ade say.
Maybe why na tuna say.
Na tuna fe. What dey ever say to buganu sa.
Na I see.
E na abon kukuru a. E na wapeja na dey to table no so.
No, be
e na eto na fe say.
Be actually.
E na ade na twa bebo akiri.
No, be actually. Na mtino no I see.
Hey.
So na te yebot.
Tetra.
Hono de sama sana kasa. Sama me.
Unim say ayi sa sideways no. Many boy sideways so anam de me twa wo yi ni.
Anu me mpɛ what mo ya de.
Na me twa say wo fa na nkasa me twam.
Ade.
Me pesa me say yentimi na onya adwuma.
Oh,
serious yentimi na onya adwuma. Masa, how can you tell me that story? Say yeah, obi a wo ba interview na application letter ade ba sex house me sideways. How dare you?
And I'm saying it's my mistake.
And I'm so sure say, say mistake na why no. Ekura say yeah you
no. What's up record?
Yeah you wadi.
No. That be
Charlie.
the trust sex at all say. So I have to.
And I make sure say sex and kata what you say.
And then,
Blah, are you serious?
oh yeah.
Sex in the say, are you a male or a female? Who your bar and now you're Bema? Charlie, I am a Joe Stars. Woman no cry what's that say, pet sideways, not pet doggy. Now, what I
would watch your sex now to go and just say male and female.
And we just a male and not female. Oh, your bar now you're Bema.
It was only question just had this.
Now, over
some just say, you boy or girl, or so into bracket, I boy or girl. Now you won't see the no.
Debbie, watch on myself that.
What's that to say?
Watch on myself that.
Mitchell say, sex now come. And for sex in the money going on. Are you boy getting into bracket? Nation. What sex is yeah? Maybe say more sex are. Maybe I am.
Until when I would trust syllabus, Nama, Cosibulina, and I say, Cosibulina trust syllabus.
Chama, what have you?
I said, beside me, Busau. I won't trust syllabus, and I say,
I have phone never general.
Okay.
And I'm saying, feel it. And my feel it. Name. Where do you come from? Where do you stay? Your mother's name, your father's name. And I say sex. And to me, sex in position I'm told say I'm a pet. And to me, I'm say a male or female.
It's better than say, and I'm to make catch or say, sex now we are sideways, how doggy no. And we are pennon cotico cool tongue. It's a bear priaco, yet to me no juma. Period. My friend. Next person.
No, you can't tell me this story. No. I better my free amago. I better my free ako. Sex no come who come the senior or Debbie. No.
Debbie, wouldn't you imagine now?
Coco, to me, man, no, go say.
Wouldn't you about what say? Gentlemen, are you serious?
Oh, Massa, what are you talking about, my friend? Don't tell me this.
Sure.
What to go there to go no, what to go Tiana?
I hope I know. Swallow your mount cool.
Send me
And I may trust a swallow cry your mount court.
That's what me
now. I'll come back. Every crowd, a 1 hour for bar.
Me worry.
Yes,
it's a big you see.
Until you go and Akabenezer.
Send them, tell me the sex in the show.
Until who sex and I say who drew out when you hey, brother, school and I'll call it party and Yamwa. Says I the show to the Yamwa because, and yes, I'm your party. You was also your banner.
Man, tell free as what's most young, I will do a pass about this position.
Obi free book also. Just say, or no, dear, male no, true M.A. No, di unibuy, Elnubai, Yina also the ban one pamba. Yes, I'm an quiet. Now, wow, free as was it. Charlie, over Sarakas or couldn't be from the line. Next person, please.
What's the record for because me Philip forms you in defeat say that. I ain't also selling position, mammy.
Oh, some
me the dog. Let me I say. Me I don't know. I do get him sad, now my feeling and what my feeling.
Bow, after when you have in my room.
Oh.
What is happening about who?
Me say.
After my who positions are open. Sassing I was saying, yeah.
Sad we say me time.
Yes, Metro DB. Would say me sign line, Nasa and Fawak at me. What's the first one? I say, open doggy. Okay. Second one, so be open doggy, Biana Epes Astaway. For you can say, could you never teach you do? Okay, what the Alpha no since you lie. Yeah, for no since you. Okay, for teacher feeding him.
No, come